Vanakkam. Good evening, everyone. I'm Rajarajan Anbalagan, founder of Tridots Tech from Chennai. We have been into this industry for almost 18 years, and particularly with Frappe and ERP Next ecosystem for the past 8+ years. Last year, we actually, for past 4 to 5 years, we have attended Frappeverse event or Frappe conferences. Last year, we have attended as a bronze partner, and probably this year, we have got into a silver partner. So there are a lot of process that we have streamlined in terms of implementing tools in place, and we have efficiently managed some ERP Next implementations, and it was helped us to move from bronze to silver. And a couple of years back, we have launched a product called Go1 CMS as an open source. And we have committed one thing on that event to contribute some more products to the open source community. A product which was a bread and butter of our organization, which we have built purely based on Frappe. We are going to contribute to the open source community today. Also, we have 10 plus products that we have built, and also we are going to launch it today. So I'll hand over to Mr. Zulfiquar. He is heading the ERP practice, and he'll help you out about the products that we have.
Good evening, team. It was supposed to be a 10 minutes Maggie from 2 minutes, so we still have the time limit. These are some of the numbers. 2023, we entered Frappeverse as bronze partner. Today, we are a silver partner. So that journey summarizes it all. We had a fair share of ups and downs. The key takeaway from this last 12 months is primarily two aspects: cutting down on implementation timeline and attempting to reduce a client's time in the implementation process. When I say reduce, optimize. So these are two things which we had worked on. Partial success, but it's a work in progress. In terms of our core services being ERP Next implementation, but then yes, ERP Next comes with its own frills and fancy, so we have an ecosystem built around it. In terms of clients, yes, we've had success stories with them, few of them full scope, many of them partial scope. And in terms of the products, we thought we will run you through a video, which is what was the ask was, and post the video, we will have a quick chat and then move on. something we have shared the code. It's on the GitHub. Yeah, I know I have limited time. And two of these key products, we have a session by 12:30 tomorrow. So we would request you to attend that. All the 11 products have been published. And something that I would like to highlight is 5 out of this 11, they were our bread and butter, which means we were earning out of it. It was supposed to be meant for, or we were implementing it. We took the due consent of the client, we then published it. So that's something. The other 5, we started working for the event. So there's nothing more in terms of explanation, excepting for the fact that the enterprise structure is something many organizations today struggle and suffer in terms of getting their reporting structure, matrix, and the data points out. So we devised an automated engine which will probably loop in and get the enterprise structure one shot. Second, in terms of budget, I understand that the ERP Next standard was giving us a standard budgeting framework. We thought probably we'll extend it by bringing the CapEx, capital expenses, and the revenue part of it into it. So we brought a fair bit of improvements. It's a work in progress, willing to work more on that. So Pulse, last Frappe was we brought the revenue engine. This time we worked further on that. Successful implementation on, we are down there. I'm very confident with the commerce product. Of course, this is an omni-channel, single vendor. But we do have a multi-vendor. But in a situation you want to have your own Flipkart, this is quite competent. So with that, please feel free to try it and share your feedback. A quick ones in terms of our other offerings, a quick snapshot. This is our HR mobile application. Something in addition to what is available, we thought we had been using it internally for about a year and a half. And then we brought it to a shape. Once we know that it has evolved, we thought, in fact, 23 Frappe words, we did have it, but we chose not to. But this time we thought probably we'll present it. It's reached a stage where it is worth sharing it with you. We brought the fair bit of front-end application to the mobile application. We gave a color, UI aspects of it. It's been deployed. It's working flawlessly. The last line is the CRM part of it. We again brought it to the mobile.
So these apps are built on ERP Next. In case if you wanted to have a colorful look and feel, probably you can get in touch with us. We'll help you. And tomorrow we'll be having one session which will be launching the same product. Go One Recruit and Go One Web Shop. And Go One Web Shop is the product that we have built using Frappe Builder. The entire product is built using Frappe Builder, which was on top of ERP Next. So if you wanted to choose ERP next e-commerce, go for Go One Web Shop, which has more themes, and you will have more detail probably tomorrow. And Go and Recruit is the one which you wanted to have a hiring, online test and unattended interviews kind of thing, where you can have an interesting session tomorrow. Probably you can get in touch with us. Thank you. Thanks for the opportunity.